that's good. So he's really good. I'm just gonna like for tonight personally. I can't. I have to wait. Well, it got me the whole thing going. So just the song ended. Perfect timing. But that quirky lab assistant from never mind. Get whatever job you want, just make sure it includes health insurance. That's it. They really stepped up the production value in episode 5. When changing a tire, make sure that both feet start to change. They really stepped up the production value right on right. Their only acceptable time and place of death is never and in the trash. Decaf coffee is never in the trash. I don't like coffee, so I agree with that. That tip, yep. I don't like coffee, so yeah. Oh god, I prefer tea. I like Damien. He likes tea. I like him. I'll stick to tea. Yeah, no, I don't like coffee, so coffee for me can just burn. It can burn. But how could I possibly abandon my only child as social function? That's bad parenting. This plate of cookies is my new dad. Bye! Amanda shoves me into the center of the yard. Well, here goes nothing. I look around the party and I'm surprised to see some familiar faces. Isn't that the barista from the Coffee Spoon? Didn't I meet that guy at the bar? Didn't that guy throw a frisbee at my head? That mysterious goth guy? Isn't that Amanda's teacher? Hey, I know Craig. But wait a second, all of these people live in our cul-de-sac? This can't be right. I better investigate. Talk to Robin and Brian. Talk to Matt, Hugo, and Craig. Talk to Joseph and Damien. Burger time! Talk to Robin and Brian. Go to them. I glance across the yard and notice Robin and Brian chatting over drinks. Man, I don't think I want to deal with being up to my Brian or whatever happened with Robin last night. Oh no, they got me staring. I don't know, Brian's waving me over. Shoot. I find a smile and walk over to them. Hey, guys! Victor, how the heck are ya? Settling into the neighborhood alright? Oh, you betcha. Got the living room in order at least.
Hey.
That's great to hear. I've been doing some living room work as well. Finally got the 50 in there. The game looks great in high def. Oh boy. Victor, have you met Robin yet? Yeah, we've met. Robin regards me over his whiskey. Good seeing you again. We were just talking about the most recent camping trip. Spent a night out in the woods with Daisy and Maxwell. She's definitely an outdoorsy one. Even caught her first fish. Oh, good to see you taking your daughter out like that. I bet she loved it.
Oh.
And it's great that she loves the outdoors. Mine loves being inside. Yeah, that sounds like me actually. Like, my daughter loves being inside, like me. We're both inside people. Part reason eyebrow at me. Being inside, making art. She won the local competition for that art. Yep. Did I put it too strongly? Robin stares at me blankly for a second. Anyway, I haven't gone camping in years, not since the last time. Same here. Well, things haven't changed once you had... Wait, what happened the last time? Robert takes a long sip of whiskey. Well, Johnny Boy and me were out in the back that county. Johnny Boy is a strong kid. Men in my army days. Comes from Kansas. They build him tougher out there. Anyway, things go south pretty quick. Johnny Boy breaks his ankle, then the rope bridge snaps. You could see the bone popping right through his skin. Johnny Boy screaming now, crying for his mama, losing blood. We're 2 days out from the next living soul, and here I am, my dear friend, bleeding out in front of me. I'm able to dress the wound, but now I gotta fireman carry a 6 foot, 180 lb man over some of the toughest terrain I've ever been in. I won't lie to you. There were moments during those 2 days I thought about leaving old Johnny Boy, but you build a bond with your brothers in arms, and that bond never breaks. Well, you can just leave you behind, but that's always up to the person. But okay, I got that boy back to civilization, but I lost some of me out there. Guess that's camping for you. Brian and I stare in disbelief. Robert takes another long sip of whiskey.
Hey.
I'm just kidding. My friend John and I went tumbling down a river, and he lost a flip-flop. Missed that kid. Brian and I laughed nervously. Or am I kidding? Brian, I did something again. I'm kidding. Phew. Amanda and Daisy burrow up to us laughing. Daisy's holding a paper plate in front of her like a steering wheel. We gotta get off this haunted track. Oh no, the ghost locked the doors.
Alright.
Quick, hit the emergency escape button. I love these girls. But trucks don't have emergency escape buttons. Then hit the brakes, I guess. Hit the brakes, I guess. And then we'll get out the truck. The imaginary truck. Anyway, we're safe from the ghost, but how will we ever survive this Atlantic tundra? Daisy, you might have to eat me. Are you prepared to do that? I'm prepared to do anything to survive. That's cold-blooded. I like that. Although I'm not sure I have the materials required to properly cook you. That reminds me of the last time I went skiing. Robert! Wait a second. Are you guys playing Long Haul Ice Road Paranormal Ghost Truckers? Oh my god, that is the stupidest thing I've ever heard. I didn't say it before, but god, that's stupid. Yeah! Amanda and I love that show. It's the best. Especially the episode where Cullen hides Flynn's key and Flynn re-entailed by breaking an ancient cursed rune and sending the spirits after him. Yeah, it's such quality reality TV television. I don't watch a whole lot of television, but I do enjoy that show, that and world documentaries. Alright, Daisy, I found us a couple of bags. We're gonna make a great meal. Lots of protein. Gonna keep us from starving out here in this harsh, icy wasteland. That's a whole table of food over there. That Daisy, it's a game. We're playing pretend. That's what kids do. Live a little. Amanda gives Daisy a handful of gummy worms from a snack table. They eat them with mock disgust. Let's go find meaning for a fire. Okay, but not an actual fire, because we're playing pretend. Now you're getting it. Daisy and Amanda run off. A cute couple of kids. Man, I've never seen her get along with anyone so quickly. I guess Amanda just sort of has a way with kids. That's kind of amazing. Daisy doesn't really get along with kids her age. Nice that he's not trying to one-up me this time. Maybe we can have a regular friendship after all. Really? She just kind of keeps to herself. Teachers say she spends every recess in the library. I think the other kids are intimidated by her intelligence. There it is. I wouldn't worry about it too much. Amanda was shy and Daisy's age too. She used to have the habit of crawling under tables and crying every time we took her to a restaurant. She bit people too. Kids, right? Gotta love them. You're required to by law. I hear that.
Yeah.
Well, since we're getting along so well, you should maybe try to put together a little play date for them. They're getting along so well. They do seem to be getting along well. The thought of constantly hearing about all of Brian's accomplishments is rough. Yeah, that'd be nice.
Oh.
Well, I don't want to take up too much of your time. Go meet some of the other fellows. Okay, let's talk to Hugo, Matt, and since I know one of oh my god, the harmonizations of voices, that was so weird. Matt and Hugo seem to be engaged in an intense discussion. Craig looks on, smiling politely. I walk over to say hello. Oh, baby. Well, I don't think it's fair. It's fair to try and compare two art movements like that. Periods in art are only existent because they're a unique byproduct of the social and political climate of the time and place, and try to take something like, say, Rococo period and compare it to post-modern-ish in America. We're completely disregarding the context in which a work of art is created. And Hugo seems to still busy talking, they don't even notice me. Craig leans in. Dude, I have no idea what's going on. Talk to Craig. I turn my attention to Craig, who seems a little more attentive to my existence. How's resistance training go the other half?
Oh.
Great. Little River here is a great cheerleader, aren't you, little bro? Craig grabs River's arms and waves him around. You can do it, Dad. You can do it, Dad. I'm so proud of you. I'm sorry for pooping on you. She must be a handful at that age.
Nice.
Oh, they always are.
Hey.
But it's so worth it. Craig grabs River's arms again and waves him around. Also, sorry for throwing up on you, Dad. How are you settling in? How are you settling in? The new place is perfect. Almost done. The new place is perfect. It's really cozy. The neighborhood's beautiful. I'm so glad we moved here.
Oh.
And I'm even more glad that we're right next to my old best friend. Craig gives a playful punch on my arm. Ow. I remember that hurting a little less in the past. Sorry. I've been doing push-ups and stuff. Victor, how are you liking the neighborhood? It's pretty nice. Everyone's been super friendly. Hey. Seems like your daughter is fitting in just fine. Matt points across the yard to where Amanda, Daisy, and another little girl are playing. They're all sitting cross-legged in the grass, making bead and weaving them into little flower crowns. Pretty adorable. The girl I don't recognize jumps over this. What is this, sweetheart? It's a flower crown. I thought you'd look cute in it.
Hey.
Well, there's only one way to find out. Matt takes the flower crown and places it on top of his head.
Hey.
Am I cool now? The girl stares at him, thinking it over. Nope. But you're slightly less uncool than you were before you put it on.
Hey.
Ha! Hey, Victor, this is my daughter. Hello. I'm Carmen Tina? And Amanda comes over with Daisy in tow. Dad, look, I'm making friends. Are you making friends? You better be making friends. Fucking yes. Yes, Amanda, yes. Yeah, Amanda. Yeah, actually, Amanda, your room's a cool barist from the shop. And my old college friend. And your teacher.
Whoa.
Oh, hi, Mr. Vega. I didn't realize we were neighbors.
Oh.
Yep. You still gonna get me that overdue term paper? Haha, great seeing you. Amanda finger guns her way out of the conversation like a champ. Should have that finger gun moves from me. I'm very proud. She's definitely a charmer. Speaking of which, where did my son go?
What?
What? Hugo looks around the party. He must finally spot him because his eyes go wide.
Whoa!
Ernest? Ernest? Henry Vega. Are you smoking? Ernest is holding a lit cigarette. Nope. I see Ernest across the way. Casually takes a long drag of the cigarette and flicks it into the gutter. Unbelievable, excuse me. Hugo marches over to Ernest and I turn my attention to Matt and Craig. Kids, right?
Hey.
Man, I do not envy Hugo. The last barbecue we had, Ernest tried to shove a sprinkler down Joseph's pants. Nearly burned down half the yard. And the barbecue we had before that, he actually burned down half the yard. And then it spread onto my lawn and burned down half of my yard too. Hugo walks back over to us, practically dragging Ernest behind him. Hey everyone, sorry about that. Victor, this is my son Ernest. Hello. Ernest looks away, sulking, his hands shoved deep in his pockets. Hugo nudges him impatiently. Hey. Nice to meet you, Ernest. What grade are you in? Does it matter?
Oh.
Ernest? Okay, I'm in 8th grade. God, are you happy now? Sure you're just dying to know. Yeah, good for you. Can I go now? I'm tired of talking to old dudes who blame my generation for failing the economy. Ouch! Ernest! Oh, yeah, because I'm totally embarrassing you. Ernest puts earbuds in and strums off to stand in the corner. Well, that was certainly something. He seems nice. Hugo puts his head in his hands and sighs.
Oh.
I'm so sorry. He's having a really rough time. As much as I want to be the cool dad, I have to be the authorization dad, and he clearly resents me for it. I mean, I think as a dad and teacher, that's about authorization as you can get. Honestly, are any of us cool dads? Is it even possible to be a cool dad? What? I'm cool as a cucumber.
Hey.
See, that right there, you can't say that. My kids think I'm cool. But for how long, Craig? How long do we get to be the cool dads? Cool dads.
Oh.
I don't know.
Hey.
I think we have to accept the fact that as dads, we've become the machine we once ragged against in our fate to unironically wear socks that your kids may think you're cool now, but the moment they hit puberty, you're doomed. Amanda's 18 and she still thinks I'm cool. Amanda's 18 and she still thinks I'm cool.
Oh.
I yell across the yard to my daughter. Amanda, I'm cool, right? Amanda just laughs. She keeps laughing. I see your point. As much as we all want it, I don't think it's as important to be a cool dad as it is to be a good dad. We can't all be best friends with our kids. It just doesn't work. I mean, look at me and Ernest.
Oh.
Our job as parents is to make sure our kids turn out okay. Yeah, you're right. But it'd be nice to have it both ways. I have a good relationship with my mom. Dad's a bit of an asshole, so, you know. Hearing these guys talk about this makes me think of Amanda. We get along so well, but there might come a time when it won't be like that. It's college when that happens.
Hey!
Oh no, it'll always be like that. Don't let us eat up your time, Victor. Go meet some of the other people around the neighborhood. Okay, it's only time to talk to Joseph and Damien. That's what Damien chatting with. Joseph chatting with Damien at the grill. I wonder what they're talking about. Okay. So, I'm curious. Can you walk me through why you had your house painted black? Where do I even start? The house stays warmer in the winter. It provides an artistic contrast to the rest of the neighborhood, and it complements the crimson interior perfectly.
Yeah.
It's definitely an interesting choice. Thank you. I'm very proud of my Victor. I was just having a conversation with Damien about his aesthetic design choices. Greetings once again, Victor. Do tell me about yourself. Are you new to the area? Yes, my daughter and I just moved in the other day. Are you enjoying the party? Are you enjoying the party so far? Oh, definitely. Thanks so much for putting this on. It's nice to be in the cul-de-sac where everyone's so friendly and welcoming. Amanda walks over to the conversation. Hi, it's Damien, right? My name's Amanda. At your service. What a pleasure it is to meet you. Damien finishes the sentence with a flourishing and a bow, producing a single rose and offering it to Amanda. Amanda blushes and returns the gesture with a curtsy. You do know how to treat a lady.
What?
Hello, Amanda. I don't know how to do that voice. Hello, Amanda. Seemingly out of nowhere, Joseph's twins appear. Are they? Hey! Won't you come play with us? Come play with us forever. Guys, enough with the creepy twin shit trick. We've talked about this. Christian and Christine slowly walk away. I love that his name is Christian. The boys, it's weird because my little brother's name's Christian. So it's that's interesting. My brother would definitely do that if he had a twin. Slowly back away. Where do you think they got that from? Oh, Marion. Marion pops into the conversation, wine in hand. I don't know. Mary takes a long sip of the wine. I think I might have tripped over Veggie Lid's VSH with The Shining. I think I might have taped over a vegetation VSH with The Shining. Who knows? Not like Mary. She takes wine. Wine. Where's Krish? Wasn't he with you? You had him a moment ago. He's probably stuffing dirt in his mouth. He'll be alright. Toddlers are pretty sentient. Mary tips her glass to him. Aren't you my first time to the rodeo? It's my fault. I have squeezed 4 little. Sweetheart, would you do me a favor and please find Krish? That would be great. I'm sure he's fine, Mary. Okay, jeez. She finishes her wine and wanders off. Dad, can we go now? Lucian, have I introduced you to Victor yet? Hey, it's that punk from Amanda's school. I remember you. Whatever. That's no way for a young man to speak to his elders. Be polite. Lucian's bow. Whatever, sir. Oof. Yeah, it is his son. Damien's son. It is his son. Lucia bows again. Mr. Christensen, may I have a veggie burger, sir? Coming right up, bud. Are you a vegetarian? Yep. Make that 2 veggie burgers. Did you know that some people in the Victorian era were vegetarians? They decided carnivorous type people as bloodlines. Dad, that's really interesting, Damien. Joseph trying to say grill. Just a hint of a tattoo out from underneath his sleeve. I believe I didn't notice before. It's like the bottom of an anchor. Whoa, is that a tattoo?
Whoa.
Yep. I wasn't I wasn't always a youth pastor, you know. That's so cool. Want to see mine?
Ha!
What? Girl voice revealing it. We've been 666 black ink. My buddy gave me a sticker. They poked it too last week. I think it's healing up pretty good. Lucian!
Oh no.
We'll talk about this later.
Hey.
That's pretty cool. What's the significance of the tattoo? I don't know. Just thought it looked sick. Well, in my opinion, the only reason you needed to get a tattoo is because you want one. Careful though, that number carries weight. Man, Joseph is way cooler youth pastor than I thought. I just figured youth pastor popped down in the room with the Bible. I wonder what he did before preaching.
Oh.
Without further ado, let's work some magic. Let's close his eyes. Deep breathing as the rain. Greatest things he said. Pasties on the ground, flourishing as he floats. Chilling the air. It's easily some of the best grill work I've ever seen. You guys think this is my first time in front of a grill? It's working faster now. Effortlessly tossing cheese and pastries and perfectly grilling onions inside. One after another, the dads take notice and crowd around Joseph to admire his masterful take. You probably didn't know this, Victor, but Joseph's known around here for his grill manship. I love their voices. He's ungrillable. Oh,
Dude!
I've tried to get on his level, but I can't catch up. Oh my god, the dad pods are back.
Hey.
Let us keep studying. He has a rare quality about him. Must we keep talking about this? Can't we just appreciate the artist?
Oh.
I've never seen him make a mistake. Oh, fuck's sake. They're all making dad jokes, and they know it. Okay, we need to stop. This is getting too cheesy. Please, stop! All of a sudden, the children at the party boo the glorious display of puns in here.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, it's ready. Please. Oh my god. Please form an orderly barbecue. Fuck's sake, I'm on it. Rolls, we all grab our plates and hang out. Enjoying the perfectly cooked cheeseburgers.
Oh.
Man, it's so wild how all of us dads live in the same cul-de-sac.
Oh.
Kinda nice, isn't it? It feels like there's a real community here. Totally helps when there's just a single dad trying to raise a kid.
Oh.
We're happy to have you here, man. I think you're like this neighborhood a lot.
Oh.
Plus, Amanda seems to be getting along with all the kids. If she decides to get into the babysitting game, she'd really make a good killing. Hey, why don't you add us all on Dadbook? Dadbook? Yes, it's a great social network for dads to keep in touch with each other. We're all on it, so if you ever need to reach out to anyone, that's the simplest way to do it. Sorry, I'm just an old-fashioned dad. Social media gets over my head sometimes. Don't worry, Pops. I'll help you figure it out. The rest of the barbecue goes smoothly. We all trade stories and drink beer as our kids play on the lawn. Amanda breaks up a fight between Francine and those weird twins. I think they wanted her soul. Oh shit. Yeah, okay, I think that's gonna be the end of this video. Welcome to the neighborhood. Oh, I got an achievement. Oh, that's nice. Do this episode here because it's late and I need sleep. So yeah, I'll leave this episode here and I'll keep going tomorrow. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Love y'all. Stay fresh, my flowers. saved it, alright. Please remember to call us once in a while. That too. Yeah, that's true. Also, also a Christian